Welcome to a tutorial that will enhance your Excel skills. In this session, we'll explore how to select non-adjacent cells in Excel. Whether you're working with scattered data points or need to manipulate data from various parts of your worksheet, these techniques will help you do so with ease. We'll delve into two approaches, using shortcuts and leveraging the Go To feature. Let's empower you with efficient cell selection. Let's see the first method, where we'll use keyboard shortcuts to select non-adjacent cells in Excel. In the first method, start by making your initial selection of cells. You can select a single cell or range of cells by clicking and dragging. Now, to add non-adjacent cells to your selection, hold down the Control key, or CMD key on a Mac, and click on the individual cells you want to include. They will be added to your existing selection. Moving on to the second method, we'll use Excel's Go To feature to select non-adjacent cells. In this method, just like in the first one, begin with your initial selection of cells by clicking and dragging to choose a cell or range of cells. Now, go to the Home tab on the Excel ribbon and find the Editing group. Click on the Find and Select drop-down, and then select Go To. After choosing Go To, a dialog box will appear. In the Reference field, enter or select the cell or range of cells you want to include in your non-adjacent selection. Once you've specified your desired selection, click OK. Excel will then select those non-adjacent cells for you. With these two methods, you've learned how to efficiently select non-adjacent cells in Excel. Whether it's via keyboard shortcuts or the Go To feature, you're now equipped to work with scattered data effortlessly. The Go To feature provides various selection criteria beyond constants, giving you a versatile tool for different scenarios. Thanks for watching.